Could this nasty bear cycle be close to ending? Well, apparently Terra 2 testnet went live and the markets of altcoins are showing a bit of relief. Bitcoin remains stagnant at approximately $30,000. Plus, we have some very, very big news for ApeCoin, Avalanche, some stuff out of Brazil, a play to earn game, and also something that is not sitting right with me. Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto and NFTs every day. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, set alerts, follow me on Twitter and TikTok for more. Before we get into today's show, I want to really just give my condolences and prayers to some of the families that were impacted out in Texas. As most of you guys know, I am a mother to an amazing 5-year-old daughter. And as I was taking her to school this morning, I just realized how lucky I was to actually be able to take my child to school, as other folks may not have that luxury anymore. Anyways, just wanted to remind you guys to be kind today. Do a random act of kindness for somebody. But let's get ahead and talk about the crypto markets. As you can see, 28.4% gain in UST. Luna is up 19.8%. And the markets are actually looking pretty decent considering. Now, when we take a look at market cap for the day, we have Miss B dominating as always. USDT, ETH, USDC, and Solana is down approximately 2.1%, while BNB is up 2.7%, and I think I know why. But taking a look at the Bitcoin chart over here, we're just going to look at the 6-hour. We are literally consolidating at approximately 28.6 to $31,000. Right now, Market Cipher is showing us that we may have a bit of more stagnation here. Zooming out to the daily chart, more consolidation. Again, I'm going to go ahead and utilize a breakout scenario here. Breakout above 31,000, we're bullish, and we kind of talked about that on Sunday, and it should lead us to approximately $34,000, hopefully by next week. A bearish scenario would be if we lose support of 28.6, 28.5, retest these lows here at 26.8. And I've got to go ahead and give myself a pat on the back here. If you guys don't know already, I officially joined COINDESK and I'm one of the co-hosts on The Hash. It's a really great podcast. My co-hosts are absolutely amazing. Shout out to Zach, Will, and Jen. Check us out Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. PST. So much craziness happening here, and hopefully this ends soon. Again, I am not any way interested, any shape or form, getting into Terra Luna at this point. I have a moon bag that has simply gone away. It has gone to zero. I'm not interested in aping in on this. Some of you degens may want to, and that's your business. Anyways, Terra 2 testnet has gone live with a mainnet launch expected on May 27th. The native asset for Terra 2 will be Luna, and it will not be associated with the UST stablecoin. Interesting move. An airdrop will accompany the mainnet launch, with those eligible receiving 30% initially. So as far as how this will work, the native asset for Terra 2 will be called Luna, and 4 groups will be eligible for the rewards: pre-attack Luna, pre-attack AUST, post-attack Luna, and post-attack UST. They kind of just should have said everything at this point, but whatever. Eligible holders will receive 30% of the airdrop on May 27th, followed by the remainder vested linearly over 2 years with a 5-month cliff. This literally sounds like a crypto presale, an ICO, an IDO, an IEO, whatever. I don't know exactly why they're doing it. I think the reason why, though, is they probably want to stabilize the supply so there's not a lot of volatility. I don't know. If you guys want to participate in this, I hope some of you are able to be made full, but I'm still very wary of what is going to happen with Terra Luna, considering all of the really, really bad things that we saw regarding Do Kwon, LFG, and a lot of people that were invested. Now, and also too, you guys, Binance is very heavily involved in what's happening, which makes sense why Binance is up approximately 2.7%. Do the crypto markets have you feeling a little bit down? Well, have no fear, because our partners over at Gala Games are here to make things a lot more fun. Because it is the month of May, they are redoing their May Mayhem event, and they're giving away up to $4 million in prizes for TOWNSTAR, Spider Tanks, and Town Crush players. These are all play to earn games. Last year, they gave away approximately $1 million, but this year they have upped the prizes to $4 million. And TOWNSTAR is very easy to play. If you played Farmville back in the day, made by the same people, and If you're utilizing any of the NFTs, which you can simply get over on Gala Games, you can actually increase the amount that you earn. And pretty much all you're doing, you're playing a game and you're earning passive income, which is outstanding. And obviously, if you do have your NFTs, etc., you could earn more. But the cool thing about TOWNSTAR is it is a play to earn game. So anytime you play, you have the opportunity to earn tokens. If you want to learn more about how this works, make sure to join Gala Games Discord and join the 100,000 plus members there who are more than happy to talk to you about the project and answer any questions. But as always, don't give any private information away. It's kind of hard to top anything by Gala Games, but let's talk about this story here. And I'm probably going to make a separate video regarding this because it's just not sitting right with me. FTX CEO, Mr. Sam, says he can spend north of $100 million during US elections in 2024. And basically, he wants to align himself with people that he thinks will help support the crypto industry. But it kind of sounds a little bit one-sided to me, considering he was one of the biggest Biden donors when we had the election. I personally hope that we see this money scattered across both parties, maybe even down the Libertarian Party line, which I doubt he's going to do. But I really think that we're going to need bipartisan support to ensure crypto's safety. And that's all I have to say about that for now. I'll make a more in-depth video. But this is good news. Avalanche submits subnet proposal for ApeCoin's DAO metaverse migration. The proposal comes weeks after the other side faced issues on Ethereum. Yes, we know we all spent lots of money on that drop. Well, I didn't. I actually forgot to KYC, so I wasn't eligible, but I was actually able to mint some other side land at a later time without having to KYC, which was amazing, and it only cost $20. But anyways, Avalanche developers have asked the ApeCoin community to consider building out the Bored Ape Yacht Club metaverse as Avalanche subnet, a proposal shows. The proposal argues other side could benefit from Avalanche's low fee and high speed network. Avalanche would additionally provide access to $290 million incentive program to support development costs. The proposal added as well as technical expertise and marketing support. So basically, we're going to see a lot of projects. We talked about Polygon potentially kind of working with ApeCoin, etc. But we're going to see a lot of these top projects offered to help ApeCoin, and whoever's probably going to pay the most will win. And if that's the case, I would take an educated guess that investing in those particular projects that are aligned with ApeCoin, aligned with Yuga Labs, with Bored Ape Yacht Club, with Mutant Ape Yacht Club, and anything that they're doing could potentially do well. However, please understand, if we are in fact in a real bear market, which hoping for that melt-up theory to occur, you want to be very careful and have a trading and investing plan and understand just because these projects are partnered with ApeCoin, they still can go down, but it will help them in the next bull cycle. Let's take a quick look at Avalanche price. So Avalanche is really not moving a whole terribly lot considering this news, but again, it's still kind of a proposal. We're bottomed out approximately $26, and the EMA 9 is really showing heavy resistance. If we're able to flip above the EMA 9, take a look at $38. And as far as ApeCoin goes, we have entered a new consolidation period, approximately $9.45 and $5.45. So MACD has kind of bottomed out here with ApeCoin, but again, there's not a whole lot of history, so these coins are harder to chart this way. But I will say there's a lot of pressure with the EMA 9, but could we be entering into a descending triangle? Anytime you get into a descending wedge, whatever, you generally get a bullish breakout. So maybe we will retest this low area here and then pop up, retest 952. Again, I'm not really bullish about ApeCoin yet until we get back above approximately $9.12. And again, you guys, please remember, until we start to see some type of direction with Bitcoin, I would be very cautious with alts, short-term trades only. And last but not least, in Brazil, you can now use ADA, XRP, and Matic to pay for real estate purchases. Crypto is not going anywhere. It is here to stay. And I absolutely love that you can go ahead and pay for real estate in crypto. It actually would help me immensely in the United States because then I wouldn't have to cash it out and hit a tax penalty there. But either way, this is good for adoption. And I'm hoping that more companies in the United States start to accept crypto. Heck, if you guys wanted to buy my house for crypto, I might consider it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good rest of your day. I will catch you later. Bye-bye.